What if I told you that you don't need a massive box, a gutted trunk, or a complete car makeover to get earth-shaking bass? That's right. Today, we're proving that size means nothing when engineering means everything. We're counting down the 5 best shallow mount subwoofers you can buy right now, and these things punch so far above their weight, you won't believe what's hiding in that slim profile. Whether you're working with an underseat install, a tight rear deck, or a custom build with barely any breathing room, we've got you covered. We're judging these subs on mounting depth, bass impact, power handling, build quality, and real-world value. Links to every single one are sitting right in the description. Let's get into it. Number 5. Pioneer TS-A250LS4, the space saver that doesn't compromise. Kicking off the list is Pioneer, and they brought their A-game with the TS-A250LS4. This sub was born for tight spaces, engineered from the ground up to slide into enclosures where a traditional subwoofer would laugh at you and walk away. But don't let the slim profile fool you. This thing handles solid power and fires back with tight, controlled low frequencies that genuinely transform your audio system. No mud, no bloat, just clean, punchy bass that hits right across all genres, whether you're bumping hip-hop, EDM, or classic rock. If you're dipping your toes into the shallow sub-game and want a reliable, no-nonsense performer from a brand that's been doing this for decades, the Pioneer TS-A250LS4 is your starting point. Number 4. Rockford Fosgate Punch P3SD 41212. Shallow mount, zero excuses. Number 4, and we're already stepping things up significantly. Rockford Fosgate's Punch P3SD 412 is the kind of sub that makes you do a double take, because how is something this shallow hitting this hard? The secret is in the motor. Rockford built this with a robust motor structure and premium cone materials that push low frequencies with serious authority. The kind of authority you feel in your chest, not just your ears. Trucks, SUVs, daily drivers with limited trunk space, this sub was made for exactly those scenarios. It's a fan favorite among professional installers for a reason. You get big, impactful bass, clean output, and solid power handling, all wrapped up in a package that fits where the competition simply won't. Rockford Fosgate doesn't do half measures, and the P3SD412 proves it. Number 3, JL Audio 10TW3D4, where premium meets precision. Now we're entering elite territory. The JL Audio 10TW3D4 isn't just a shallow sub, it's a statement. JL Audio is one of the most respected names in car audio, and this sub shows exactly why that reputation is rock solid. What makes it special? JL engineered an innovative motor and suspension system that allows this sub to dig deep into low frequencies while staying dramatically slimmer than anything traditional. The result is bass that's not just loud, it's precise, detailed, musical. The kind of low end that makes your favorite tracks feel completely new. Dual voice coils give you flexible amplifier matching, and the build quality is the kind that holds up under serious, demanding use. If you're building a premium system and space is your enemy, the 10TW3D4 is your weapon of choice. Number 2, Kenwood Excelon KFC XW800F, the audiophile's shallow sub. At number 2, Kenwood steps in with something a little different and honestly refreshing. The Excelon KFC XW800F isn't here to just make noise, it's here to make music. Kenwood designed this sub around accuracy and distortion-free performance, letting the low end breathe naturally rather than just hammering you with raw power. The result is bass that's tight, musical, and incredibly well-suited to a wide range of genres. It supports the music instead of overpowering it. Its shallow mounting depth opens the door to installs that deeper subs can't even dream of fitting into, and Kenwood's premium materials mean this thing is built to last. For the daily driver who wants a serious low-end upgrade without compromising on sound quality or space, this Excelon is an absolutely brilliant choice. Number 1, JL Audio 13TW5V24. The undisputed king of shallow mount, and here it is, the one that rewrites the rules. The JL Audio 13TW5V24, a mounting depth of just 2 5/8 inches. Let that sink in. That's shallower than most people's phone cases, and yet this sub delivers deep, rich, powerful bass that you'd expect from something twice the size. JL Audio's advanced engineering pushes excursion and clean output to levels that genuinely should not be possible at this depth. Sealed boxes, under-seat builds, ultra-slim custom enclosures, none of that phases this sub. It thrives in tight spaces and rewards you with low-end performance that makes jaws drop. Serious power handling, immaculate sound quality, and a footprint so compact it opens up install possibilities you didn't think existed. The JL Audio 13TW5V24 doesn't just top this list, it defines the category. And that's a wrap on the best shallow mount subwoofers. 5 subs that prove you don't need the space to get the bass. Every single one of these is linked in the description, so go check them out and find the one that fits your build and your budget. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We read every single one. And if this video saved you some research time, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a drop. We've got more gear breakdowns, comparisons, and deep dives coming your way. Until next time, stay loud, stay smart. We'll see you in the next one.